I wanted to share with you today the one routine that makes me successful, happy, and productive. Because this one routine that I have done in some form or fashion most of my life has really made a profound difference. But probably in the last 3 years that I've been very purposed in mind of doing this routine that has really made the difference. And that routine is to pray and journal. So what do I mean by that? What do I mean by pray and journal? Well, first of all, I pray always throughout the day, and I invite God into everything I'm doing. But I do specifically in the morning. One of the first things in the morning is as soon as I wake up, I invite the Lord into my day. I ask him to orchestrate my day, bless my day, show me the way throughout the day. But then I spend time in quiet by myself with him so I can journal what he has to give me, what he has to share with me, what he wants to tell me. Sometimes it's something that is very much on my heart. And of course, because he knows us inside and out, he will explain that to me. He'll unpack it for me. He'll unbox it so we can together unravel it. But also, he will also give me something that is on his heart, or he wants me to do, or he wants me to complete. So I say to you, this is the one routine that makes me productive, successful, and always makes me happy. If for some reason I'm in a hurry in the morning and I don't spend the time with the Lord in prayer and journaling, it makes all the difference. And you're probably saying to yourself, well, gosh, I've got these little kids. I've got all these responsibilities. I got to get to work. Yes. But what's more important? Giving the Lord your time or giving everything else and whatnot your time? It makes all the difference. Do you not have 5 minutes to spend with the Lord? Maybe 10 minutes. Maybe you start out really small and give him a couple minutes. He will honor that, and he will increase your time as the days go by to spend more and more time with him. I can't tell you that there's a set amount of time that I say, okay, well, I've got an hour here, so Lord, I'm going to give you 30 minutes of my time. No, I sit down with the Lord, and he will sometimes extend the time. Sometimes he will give me something very short to just kind of ponder on for the rest of the day. It really depends. But he's orchestrating that time. And that is my routine that has made all the difference. And a lot of you are saying, and I've had a lot of people say to me, so that's why I'm offering another free course on the steps to get started in journaling with God, is exactly that. How to get started in your journaling process. Because it's totally different than just writing down thoughts and ideas and things like that. It's not keeping a personal journal of your things you want to do or your wish list or things like that. No, it's really learning to hear from the Lord. And what is he saying to you? What does he want to reveal to you? And capturing that. And he has really blessed me with a very good, quite easy process. And I really break it down into simple steps that you can take right away and to do. And I encourage you to do so. So if that's the course that you would like me to send, just put a comment in the comments and ask for the free journaling mini course. And I'll be happy to send it to you, because there too, I want to bless you with this course that will make a difference in your life, that will bring forth clarity in your life so that that becomes your routine that makes you productive, successful, and happy. Because I want that for each and every one of you. So please take some time this day and think, aha, when and where do I include the Lord in my life? Do I include him in all things? Do I include him in some things? Or do I include him in nothing? Because sometimes, and I believed this when I was young, that, well, God doesn't want to be bothered by me. He's got more important things to do than my trivial little problem or my trivial little thing that's going on. No, he cares about all things. So he wants us to come to him for all things. So what are you including, but also what are you not including God in your day? Because with that, you can make a profound difference in your own life by including him. Just by a simple, Lord, what should I do now? Where should I go? How should I go there? How should I get there? Who should I talk to? Who should I not talk to? All these different things make a complete difference in our daily life, in our daily basis, because he wants to be included in all things. He doesn't want to be left out of not one single thing, but we have to invite him in. So I encourage you to do that. Just take that simple step of including him in as much as you can think of. Be intentional, be purposeful in doing that. And he will meet you right there. He'll be right there with you. He always is, but he wants us to invite him into that. And then if you want to get started with the journaling course, I encourage you to reach out to me and ask me for that, and I will be happy to send it to you. So until next time, be blessed, and I look forward to hearing what difference this made for you. Thank you.